Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll discuss a lot of mathematical stuff and a lot of problems related to the mathematics. In this video we are going to discuss a very important question. Now we will write the statement of the question like rice. So this question is related to the rice. Rice weighing WEIG 3 and 3 by 4 pounds. 3 and 3 by 4 pounds was divided equally and placed in 4 containers. How many ounces of rice were in each? So the question is rice weighing 3 and 3 by 4 pounds was divided equally and placed in 4 containers. How many ounces of rice were in each? So let's go to the solution. Three and 3 by 4 divided by 4 pounds. So here is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 plus 3 and by 4 divided by 4. Here you can see we multiplied by the 4. We multiply it by the whole statement with by 4. Now we will solve it. 4 1 the 4, 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. 15 by 4. Now we will divide it by 4. When the 15, we will write it like 15 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 4. Now we can take the LCM. 4 for the 16. And 15 multiplied by 15. 15 by 16 pounds. Now we know that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. Therefore 15 by 16 is equal to 15 by 16 multiplied by 16 ounces. 16 is cutted by 16 and 15 is the answer. 15 ounces is the answer. So 15 is the correct answer. You can solve all type of questions through this procedure. I hope you would like this video, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and tap on the like button.